you're a documentary channel and you're doing a video topic, The Mystery of Amelia Earhart. Okay, so we're going to generate thumbnail concepts. Give this just a minute how our tool works so you don't have to mess with endless prompts. It gives you a concept first, so in case you don't want to use the image, you have a good concept of what the image should look like for a YouTube video. Once again, this is just an example for this particular video, but you can use it for any topic. And once again, this tool takes a little bit longer because it does use a live Google search to kind of check out if there's any updated items about this. So it gives us a concept here, some suggested captions, and now it gives us a prompt so we can generate an image. So let's do a pop art image. So it's already filled out here. We can just hit generate image, give this just a few seconds as well, and it's going to generate a thumbnail image for us, some suggested captions depending on what your video is about. You can mess with the font, the outline, so you have some options here. Okay, so let's go ahead and download this here, right? So let's try another one. So let's say you're